paint job. Who painted this?
Me and my wife did most of it, and then I have a friend of mine.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh wow. Nice. Whoa, this is nice. Oh, man. Anyway, could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Brett Davis, and this is 12 Scar EVL 12s on 3 Teraamp 8Ks, MD 8Ks. They're clamping about 14,000 total.
Wow.
Then 2 10s, 2 12s, 2 8s, 6 6.5s, 6 tweets, 160 amp hours, a yin long lithium, 2 425 brand X alternators, and a MechMan 400 running the truck.
Wow.
Does a 159.6 best when everything is cold.
Yep. Yes, sir. Awesome. And it's a fourth order. What's your ratio tuning on it?
3-to-1 fourth order.
Okay.
The sealed side is 1.75 per sub, and then the ported side is what it is there, and then the port is tuned to 46, of course, if that's my peaks.
Yes, sir. All
I
right.
haven't been able to get any other different numbers.
Yep.
Playing with it.
Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. This is nice. You built everything?
I did everything myself. So.
Very nice work. Nice paint job. Who painted this?
Me and my wife did most of it, and then I have a friend of mine that painted just the birds. Those are actually my birds.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Those are my kids.
All right.
I'm gonna play
Awesome.
down to 26.
Very nice. You're almost at that 60 then.
159.6,
Yep.
yeah. And I've been working all week with the
Yeah.
Term Lab. I bought one Magnum, and I haven't
sir.
got any gains.
No
and I think
gains?
it's my floor.
Yeah, I feel a little bit of movement.
I have 7 layers of fiberglass.
It's still
on it
moving a
now.
little?
Moving a lot. So I think what I'm going to do is do the resin and sand. I heard might help.
Yeah. Your voltage is good too, man.
Yeah, it's not
You're
bad.
good.
It'll do 14, 6 to 14, 8 plate
Yes, sir.
wide open.
Really?
But I want to double my bank of lithium.
Yes, sir.
So I don't have to rev it up.
Yeah.
And kill it. Thanks. You're
I
welcome.
think I met you 2 years ago.
You did.
When you had a no-wall build.
And it was when I first got the 4. I got the
Yep.
4 EVLs and the Q-bomb boxes.
Yes.
With the Orion 3K.
Yeah, look at you, man.
I know.
Woo. Awesome.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Brett's system. This was at the Summer Showcase Show in Jacksonville, Florida of 2021. Getting to uploading it. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Be sure to let Brett know what you think by commenting. Say something positive about his system. I really like the way the paint job is of this box. It's not something that's going to affect the actual output, but the look is everything. The way he laid it out, the fourth order layout, all of the subwoofers as well as the paint job just looks super crisp. And he has a lot of powerful lithium bank to supply for these 3 8,000 watt amplifiers, and it's an amazing musical build, so he did a really good job. Shout out to you. And I think he's right at the 160 dB mark, so it's exciting to see how loud he got. And from his previous system, I couldn't find the video from it a few years ago, but he used to have a Q-bomb box with 415s before this, so he's definitely come a long way in the last year. So thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos, and we're going to go ahead and get to this pretty impressive bass demo. It's going to be called the song Bass Ballin' from Decaf. Enjoy.
doesn't really fall off. So what frequency tone was that? Like
That's 34.
34. Okay.
Yeah.
Man, it's windy.
Somewhere in between my high and low.
Yes, sir.
It'll play
Awesome.
down to 26.
Very nice. You're almost at that 60 then.
159.6,
Yep.
yeah. And I've been working all week with the
Yeah.
Term Lab. I bought one Magnum, and I haven't
sir.
got any gains. And
No
I think
gains?
it's my floor.
Yeah, I feel a little bit of
I
movement.
I have 7 layers of fiberglass.
It's still
on it
moving a
now.
little?
Moving a lot. So I think
Wow.
what I'm going to do is do the resin and sand. I heard might help.
Yeah. Your voltage is good too, man.
Yeah, it's not
You're
bad.
good.
It'll do 6 to 14, 8 plate
Yes, sir.
wide open.
Really?
But I want to double my bank of lithium
Yes, sir.
so I don't have to rev it up.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
kill it. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
You're
I think I
welcome.
met you 2 years ago.
You did.
When you had a no wall build.
And it was when I first got the 4. I got the
Yep.
4 EVLs and the Q-bomb boxes.
Yes.
With the Orion 3K.
Yeah, look at you, man.
I know.
Woo. Awesome. I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. You too. Stay cool, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.